What's up? So guys, freaking, what is this, 16 years later?
This is my 1968 Mustang.
I'm gonna do another cold start. I see this would be funny to do it like I did in my other video. I had a tripod out here. How did I do it? He said this is my old backyard. That was a funny video. I had side pipes. Anyways, yeah guys, this is a cold start this morning. As you see, it's like 20 degrees out. Cold start. We have Flowmaster Super 44s. Bent that gas tank to fit the 66 cutouts out the back. That's going underneath the rear axle. Those are 3-inch, plugging into 2.5-inch. 2.5-inch Flowmasters, and that's all dirt. It's no rust. X pipe, long tube headers to the engine. That's 2.5-inch. Motor, 302 RV cam. It's got a Crane electronic ignition. Everything else though, guys, is pretty much stock. Yeah, 289 manifold on the 302. Yeah. It's got deluxe interior. Oh, my stereo's on. Got deluxe interior. I restored it twice. About to do, well, the carpet I've only done once. About to do another one. But I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money. Oh. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I've had Jillian for 19 years. Maybe 20 this year. 20 years this October. And I got her as a shell. No floor pan, no engine, no interior, absolutely nothing. And I've had her in New Mexico, Oregon, Texas, Washington, and Mexico. I got it painted in Mexico. But I plan to take her across country, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, because I don't baby that shit.